I'm Linda Paris. I teach TEL 120, which is Introduction to Materials. In this class, we cover a wide range of skills and different types of materials, which help the students prepare for their future tech classes. In Introduction to Materials, the students will design an object in CAD software, and then they get to print that object with a 3D printer. And then we take that 3D printed piece and the students then create a mold using plaster, which they get to slip cast, so they get an introduction to ceramics as well. With the materials identification, then students are able to be hands-on with this activity. They get to hold and identify different characteristics within metals, polymers, and wood samples. And then once they have identified the different types of materials, they then get to cut a sample themselves, which they get to take home for future references. In the fiber unit, students have the opportunity to make recycled paper from old newspapers or papers that are no longer needed. And they also have the opportunity to make rope, and they get to do this all from scratch. It's a lot of fun for the students to be able to take 100 feet of twine and turn it into a rope that's around 5 feet long by twisting it with a bunch of partners.
My name is Connor Van D. I'm in the Tech Ed program. We've done a lot of fun stuff, but my favorite is slip casting.
I'm Brendan, and I'm currently a TA for TEL 120. It's a really great class that will cover the basics and give you a great foundation for your future classes. So looking back on it, this class really prepared me well for other classes that I took, such as woods, metals, and polymers.